In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on the Messenger icon. Once that opens, I'm looking for See All in Messenger, and I'm clicking that so I can open the full Messenger view. That gives me the full chat layout, which makes this a lot easier to follow on screen. Now that I'm inside Messenger, I'm selecting the conversation I want to secure. I'm just clicking on the chat normally and letting it open all the way. Once the conversation is on screen, I'm moving up to the top of the chat and clicking the person's name. That opens the chat details and settings for this specific conversation. So this is exactly where I need to be for the encryption option. At this point, I'm looking through the options until I find privacy and support. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. I'm still staying in the conversation details area and watching for that same section. Once I see privacy and support, I'm clicking it. Now I'm looking for either go to secret conversation or turn on end-to-end encryption. Facebook can show either wording depending on the layout, so I'm just selecting the one that appears on my screen. As soon as I click that option, Facebook starts the secure chat flow for this conversation. I'm not jumping anywhere else or changing anything outside of this screen, I'm just following the path exactly as it appears. Once that goes through, a new encrypted chat will open. That's the part that tells me the conversation is now in the secure version of the chat. So if you're following along, the whole thing is actually pretty smooth once you know where to tap. I open Facebook, click the Messenger icon at the top right, choose See All in Messenger, select the conversation I want to secure, click the person's name at the top of the chat, open privacy and support, and then click go to secret conversation or turn on end-to-end encryption. After that, the new encrypted chat opens. I'm just moving through it again the same way on screen so it's easy to copy. Open Facebook, open Messenger, click See All in Messenger, choose the chat, click the person's name, go into privacy and support, and turn on the encrypted option there. Once the new chat opens, that's it, you're in the end-to-end encrypted conversation. If your layout is a little different, that's normal, but the flow is usually very close. Just take it one click at a time, stay inside the chat settings, and once the encrypted chat opens, you're all set.